Alright, if you saw my last video, you know that I did not pull anything good from the Fusion Strike ETB, and I didn't want to leave that bad taste in my mouth, so I'm opening up the Evolving Skies ETB now immediately after. But I will be posting as another video. There's that. Alright. Where's the super good cards at? Oh. These. I need all of these. I especially need this one. Zinnia's Resolve. I need that card. Wow, this... they have a lot of the good cards that I could pull. I better get something good out of this. If I pull a Zinnia's Resolve, I'd be happy with that. And only that out of the 8 packs. I say that, but I'll probably... what the heck? Why is it all messed up like this? It's all bent and wonky out of shape. Oh no. No, I didn't like that. Alright, here are the packs. Alright, we're gonna start with Sylveon, Umbreon, Rayquaza. Obviously, I wouldn't mind having that Rayquaza VMAX either, but Zinnia's Resolve Zinnia was an Omega Ruby and Alpha Sapphire, like that extra part that they added for like or how they introduced a brand new character, Zinnia, was amazing. I loved that part of the game. It was great. Alright, the player guide, putting all that to the side. Energies, tokens, dividers. Let me show off the die. Pretty neat. And I just dropped them. Alright, so, like in my channel description, this channel is going to be about a bunch of things, random things, but for now it is gonna be about my TCG packs. I know it's better to specialize in one thing, but I can't. I'm into too many different things. Alright, so put that over there. Why do these look different? Oh, no, they're exactly the same. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. We're gonna zoom through these. Energy, Boost Shake, if I can remember their names. Rabombi, Avalugg, Flabebe, Scrap 2, Swablu, Litleo, Chinchou, Dino, Scraggy, Smeargle. Nope, not that one. If I don't get anything good from these, I know something's rigged. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. You saw how many cards they had in there. How many valuable ones. Energy, Boost Shake, Rabombi, Avalugg. This is like the exact same cards I got last time. Chinchou. Petalil, Dino, Teddiursa, Feebas, Rabombi, Smeargle. Oh, I'm the what? I think I got like 2 new cards, maybe 3. But the rest were exactly the same as the first pack. What the hell? Ah, I didn't do the thing. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Alright. Energy. Moon and Sun Badge. Pyroar. Vigoroth. Scraggy. Feebas. Hitmonchan. Slackoth. Petalil. Crustle and Rayquaza V. Not V Max, but you know what? I'll take it. I'll take it. It's something. Whoops. Get a look at that card. Cool. That's 1. How many more are you gonna give me? Evolving Skies. Alright, I think should be the first of the Umbreon, so you just finished the Sylveon packs. Honestly, they don't matter. I don't think the design matters on the front. Slayer is random. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Alright, energy. Stormy Mountain. Boulder. Skiploom. Love Disc. Seedot. Oh yeah, Seedot was my grass type during Emerald when I picked Mudkip. Slackoth. Flabebe. Carvana. Scrafty. Ooh. Thievel. Nope. Nothing from that one. Come on. Boom. Oh, I fucked up. I pulled one too many. Well, yay, we got something. God. Alright. Man, I really messed that up. I mean, I'm happy I got something, but like, there's no excitement from that, because I just, or there was no anticipation. Well, I'm just gonna run through these. Energy, Ursaring, Crustle, Rescue Carrier, Hitmonchan, Slackoth, Petalil, Pikachu, Pumpkaboo, and Crustle again. Man, I'm sorry about that. Wow. I grabbed one too many, tossed it to the front, and immediately saw it. You gotta build that anticipation though. One, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Alright, yeah, there it is. There's the energy card. Avalugg, Snowleaf badge, Gordy. I don't remember this guy at all. I'm assuming he's from Sun and Sword and Shield. C-Dot, Woobat, Eevee, Timple, Cutefly, Deino, and Regieleki? I've never seen this Pokemon in my life. What is this? What is this from? I've never seen this Pokemon before. Wow, that's weird. Is it supposed to be like Regigigas and Reggie or Ice, Reggie Rock kind of stuff? Regieleki? Toss. 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy. Fletchinder. Shopping Center. Lantern. Dwebble. Mareep. Drowsy. Scraggy. Feebas. Bergmite. And Espeon V. We're taking whatever we can get now. This is already way better than the last ETB. We got Rayquaza, we got Volcarona, we got Espeon. Oh wait, my bad, I didn't do the close zoom in shot. Alright, fingers crossed. Last pack. Oh my goodness. Deep breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Alright. Energy. Zweilous. Nuzleaf. Golduck. Applin. Sableye. Nickit. Bergmite. Carvanha. Galarian Articuno. These have to be just from the cards. They did not exist in the game. I would have noticed. And Jolteon VMAX. Ooh. Alright, you know what? I'm content with this box. We didn't get, you know, Zinnia's Resolve, but save that for a different date. But we got some good cards out of this one. Way better than the last pack. My goodness. Don't even want to think about that. Alright, here's the polls from today. We got some really good ones. We got some good ones. My favorite though, it's gotta be the Volcarona. Volcarona just, it's a beautiful, amazing Pokemon. I love that Pokemon. Alright, I think we're gonna end the video there. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. I enjoy making these videos just because I get to open up packs of cards, and you know, I get to share it. I get to share it with you guys, my like 5 viewers. But I'll take all that I can get. Whoops, like that. Yeah. Thumbs up. Alright. Like, subscribe, do your thing, and I'll see you next time. Bye.